you guys, I'm Teddy from BijuTeo Beading, and as I promised in one of my previous videos when I was showing this bracelet, today I'm going to show you how to make a matching ring. It's really easy to make, it's even easier than the bracelet, and I'm sure by the end of this video, if you follow my instructions, you will be able to make it. It's made of these beautiful 2-hole beads that could be Superduo, twin beads or asmara beads, any brand you like, and you could find them in most of the beading stores and on Amazon. If you want to support me now, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And you should do this because in this way, when you hit the bell, you will be notified when I make beautiful matching jewelries, and in this way you could make a set for yourself. And something else, don't forget that when you change colors, you could have so many beautiful different variations of one and the same jewelry, and if you have beautiful creations done following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page. I will be so happy to see it. Okay, don't forget to check also my merch store. When you buy stuff from there, you support me, my channel and my mission. You could find links down there in description and here at the eye icon. Thank you so much for watching. Now I will start with the list of the materials. Okay guys, so for this video what you're going to need are really simple stuff. I'm using these 2-hole beads that you could find in any specialized beading store and on Amazon. There are different brands. They could be Superduo, twin beads or asmara beads, and they are 5mm by 3.5mm. You could use any brand you like, and here I'm using 8-0 beads. You could easily find them anywhere. I'm using here nymo beading thread, nylon thread, which is size O. This is 0.006 inches or 0.15mm, and I put an arm span here. And I'm using, of course, scissors. And now I'm going to start. I will pick up first one 8-0 and I will slide it down here. And what I want to do is leave a small tail, and I will make this one as a stopper bead to work easier, going one more time around it. Okay, then I will take 2 of these beautiful 2-hole beads, slide them down, one 8-0, slide it down, 2 more beads, slide it, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, okay. And now guys, my goal is to have 20 of these beautiful 2-hole beads. You could put even more because my fingers are really small, and depending on the brand of the beads, it could be tighter or wider, but you could measure it around your finger and make it as long as you want. So here I will put 20 beads of these beautiful 2-hole beads, alternated by white 8-0s, and I'll be back. Okay, and now I have my 20 beads here. And what I want to do, and I'm finishing with 2-hole beads, not with 8-0, because here I have an 8-0. And what I'm going to do here is go around my circle. Okay, I'm pulling. And I will go around one more time through all of my beads. And I want to exit here where my tail thread is, and here I will make a knot. Okay, making a loop and going once and going twice. You could also go 3 times around this loop and pull and when you pull you have a really secure knot. Okay, so now I will go also through these 2 beads. I want this nice and tight to work really nicely. Okay, and now I will flip my work this way. This is because I will go through the empty hole of the same twin I'm exiting out of. Okay, and I will start working in this direction. It's more comfortable for me, that's why I flip my work. And I will take 1 bead, go through it and through the following, and pull. Take 1 more, go through it and through the following without adding anything, and pull. Okay, take 1 more, go through it and through the following. So now you see what I have. Okay, 1 more, go through it and through the following. So here, where between my 2 beads I have nothing, they are touching, I will add an ATO. And here where I have an ATO, I will add nothing, I will just go through it. Okay, now I will do this until the end of this row, and when I'm up to here I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and here I am at my last step where I'm adding my last ATO, and I will go through the first 2 hole bead that I added, and I will connect all of this in circle nice and tight. You see, I already have something like a ring here. Okay, and I want to go through some beads in this direction to pull it and make it tight. And now my goal is to exit through one of my white beads. Okay, like that, and pull. And turn your work the way it's easier for you. Okay, and as I'm exiting from this white bead, what I want to take are 2 blue beads, and I'm going through the following white. Pull. Now you see what I have. Then I will take 2 more blue beads, go through the following white, pull nice and tight. Okay, I will have 2 more, go here, and take 2, and until the end of this row, until up to here, I will add 2 hole beads, and I will meet you here. I will do this off camera and I'll meet you here. Okay, and here I am where I'm finishing this row, and I'm adding my last 2 beads here. Okay, pulling nice and tight. I will turn this in this direction. Okay, then what I want to do is go through the next 2 beads like that, turn my work around, and as I'm exiting from this hole, I will go through the other empty hole and again change directions. Okay, and you could cut your tail thread because it's always on the way and it's easier to to do this without it. And now I will take 1/8 and just go through the following 2 beads, just like that. 1/8 and go through the following 2. And now you see how it's easier. 1/8, go through these 2 beads, and I will continue this here. Where my beads open, I will add 1/8, and here where they meet I will just go like this. Okay, showing you one more time. And now I will let you do this by yourself until the end of this row. And here I am, guys, at the end where I'm finishing this row. And you see, now I have this ring. If I make some knots and cut my thread, I will have ring this size, but I want to show you how to expand it even more. So in my next step, I will go through this white 8/0 and take 2 more beads. Then go through this white. Then I will take 2 more. Go through the following white. 2 more. Sorry, it's 3. 2 more. And I'm going through the next white. Okay, and I will continue this, and when I'm up to here, I'll be back to tell you what's coming up next. Okay guys, and here I am where I'm adding my last 2 beads from this row, and I'm going here. Then I will go through these 2 blue beads and I will go through the empty hole of this bead here, just like that, and I will take just 1/8, go through the following 2 twin beads or Superduo beads or asmara beads, and I'm taking 1, going through the following 2. Here it's really easy because it shows where you should add your 8/0 and where you should just go. Okay, here where you have something like a hole, you put an 8/0, and here where your beads naturally meet, you just go through them. Okay, and I will continue this until the end of this row, and I'll be back to tell you how to make your knots. Okay guys, and here I am where I'm adding my last 8/0 bead. Here it is. And now what I want to do is make a knot, cut my thread, and my ring will be ready. Okay, you see how it looks now. And I'm going here, and now what I want to do is choose a place to make a knot. It doesn't matter where. Okay, and I will make my knot by making a loop and going once, going second time through the loop I've made, and I'm pulling, and I could repeat this several more times. Go through the following bead and cut my thread, never cut next to a knot. So now guys, this is what I have. My ring is ready. Okay guys, and now my ring is ready. If you like it and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe and hit that bell button to be notified for my new absolutely free upcoming videos. And this is a good idea to do this because I'm making sets of 2 or even 3 different jewelries, and in this way you will be notified for when you hit the bell, you will be notified for my new upcoming video, and you could make the whole set. And you could also like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of your questions down there in the comments. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below. I will be so happy to see your creations. Don't forget that when you change colors, you could make so many different colorful combinations and have such a beautiful jewelries and enjoy them. So you could also check my new merch store. You could find links down there in the description and here at the icon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye from me.